Hello, everyone. I hope that you are all doing well so far in 2025. I just wanted to come on and share this clip that I came across while going down memory lane with my son. This is actually a really pivotal clip for me because this is the clip that kind of jump started me sharing what I know through tutorials and through social media and whatnot. It's something that I take great pride in. And yeah, I was just like, oh my God, I have to find, because I found pieces of the clip first. And I was like, oh my God, I got to find the full clip. So it took me a long time to took me about a good hour, I'd say, of sitting on my phone and looking through the archives and just going down memory lane and showing my son, I beaded this. Look at this. And you know where this went? And he was just like, so you did all this beadwork? I'm like, mm-hmm. And then my husband and I were just sitting there, we're like, yeah, and it's sold. I don't I don't have a single piece that I'm showing you. But not all of it was sold. Some of it was given away as well. I've given away actually a lot of beadwork. Even like bringing prices down for certain people in the past and everything like that. So my beadwork has been everywhere, all across Canada, all across the US. I just these pieces have been everywhere. They and yeah, anyways, so this is one of the video clips that started my tutorial journey, my sharing, my beading. I've been beading for a long time. Like I'd done beading since I was a kid. My Etsu showed me how to do a beaded pouch. So my first beaded pouch I gifted to my late father. And yeah, I enjoy it. And I never got serious about it until about 13, 14 years ago, after I moved here to BC. And yeah, I did a lot of beadwork while I was pregnant with my son. And yeah, there's just so much, like so many pieces. It's not just ropes, it's not just earrings. I've done moccasins, I've done sewing, I've done medallions, I've done earrings, I've done beaded dance sets for regalia, and I hope to do so much more. I wish that I could just box up all of my knowledge and I'm able to share it, like just one right after the other. I'm trying, I went through school. I hope I can share some more. But mostly I just wanted to share this with you guys because this was something that was important for me and still is. And yeah, I hope to make some more for you guys. And I want to thank you guys for your support so far, for being here. Don't be afraid to message me and ask me questions. I don't only sell beadwork. I like to be a mentor as well, and that's with beading, shipping, selling, yeah, anything. I'm open. So enjoy the clip. If you can learn from it, learn from it. I didn't want to speed it up too much, but it's, you know, oh yeah, and these were like size 15 beads, which is like extremely small. I haven't done another one like this in a really long time. I mostly work with 11s, but these ones are size 15, so kind of tiny. Anyways, enjoy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you watched the whole video, listen to my babbling. I like to babble, or as my daughter calls it, yip yap. All right, you all have a good day. Later.